God has gifted us nature, which has many beautiful creatures like frog, sparrow, and mole who live in water, sky, and soil. Mountains are so high, seas that never dry, birds that can fly, stars high up in the sky. There are many trees. God made them all. It looks more beautiful when the rain falls. But why do you cut trees? Trees are our gems. Don't cut their stems. First, there was everything right, but then started the fight. Saving nature is our duty, without which there is no beauty. If we care for nature, nature will care for us. There is nothing that they don't give us. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.